Hello, and welcome to the Blue Cross Blue Shield ETL. I'm Josiah, and I'm going to be walking us through this today. So, kind of an overview. We're going to be talking about what was built, why it was made, and how it was accomplished. So first of all, what is it? Well, our program is an Azure data factory that utilizes Blob storage in Salesforce to automatically extract the data from inputted CSV files, transform and clean it up into data that Salesforce can understand, and then load it into Salesforce where our clients can use it and have easy access. Hence the ETL in the name. Extract, transform, load. This utilizes exclusively low-code cloud environments and tools to automate the process, allowing the task to be completed quickly and be easily transferable, teachable, reusable, and enhanced. So why did we make it? Well, Blue Cross Blue Shield would have to have a singular person every single week spend 5 hours typing all of this in by hand. And that just wasn't acceptable. So that's where we came in. With this software, we were able to fully automate the process and ensure that that person would not have to spend 5 hours of their week typing it all in by hand anymore. The main reasons for this was that it is more efficient, it is cost effective, and it's completely automated. So how we made the connections? Well, our initial impression was that we would need to associate the data and transfer it over to Salesforce with careful mapping. But then we realized that the solution was actually far more simple. All we had to do was create a pipeline for each of the objects and then have it be sent through there so that way it could be transformed into a way that Salesforce could understand. And then once it was all compiled in Salesforce, Salesforce would be able to understand what it was immediately. So I'm just going to give you a demonstration really quick. Here it is. And if we go into our Azure Data Factory, yeah, that's pretty much it. It doesn't look like much, I know, but trust me, even just with this one little box, we're able to do quite a lot. So first off, I'm just going to hit debug, and that will trigger the pipeline. Now, keep in mind, we're not going to have someone hit trigger every single time. This is fully automated, and it runs on a scheduled basis. And so while this runs, I'm just going to tell you about that. Basically, the way that we were able to set this up is that when we initially created the pipeline, we were able to set it up on a scheduled basis where it will trigger every single day. That way, whatever files that are put in, it will have the most recent data for that day. All people have to do is just insert the files, which would just be our agency, agent, and education CSV files, and then the data gets transferred right over. It's honestly quite efficient. As you can see, it's only taken about 28 seconds so far, and we should be receiving a successful notification soon. And there it is. Now let's go look and see. As we can see right now, it's empty, but if we reload, there we go. All of our files that were in our CSV file. And these will hold all the information that we have instantiated in there. And yeah, pretty simple. Thank you for coming along with me, and I hope you found this informative and interesting.